Is doing well out there. I just wanted to make a video on multiple time frame trading. This is very important. I learned it from my mentor Canal Desai when I was trading US equities, and what it is basically was looking for ideal generation on the daily charts, the daily breakouts, and then we was scaling into the 5-minute charts and 15-minute charts to look for entries and really ride down the momentum, so it gives you fast high paced trades. So you're not really holding on while waiting for consolidation. These normally happen straight away. As soon as you make the trade, they normally start working against you in your favor with big pumps and spikes. So you're just really chasing the momentum, and it gives you quick day trades and very profitable setups. So as you can see here on the Kiwi to dollar here, this is on an FX chart. I will be doing an Ethereum one after. You can see the daily breakdown here. So you've just been consolidating sideways, and you eventually get this breakdown. Now, if you were trading it on a swing point or a swing trading setup, you would ideally want to wait for the close, and it's just too far down here to actually jump into the trade. So what we have to do is we go into lower time frame. So you want the daily setup, and then you want to go down into a lower time frame, such as the 5, 15-minute chart, 30-minute chart, whatever feels good for you, whatever works for you. So what works for you might not work for someone else. Just get comfortable with the time frame. But what I like to do is I would like to go into a 15-minute chart. Now, what I do with this is the line here. So on the daily chart, if I line them both up, this is actually the line. It's exactly in the same spot, and it breaks down. It breaks down exactly this point here. And what I like to do when I'm searching for these is I like to put 2 EMAs on. So I like to put the exponential moving average of the 9 period and the 20 period. So you can see this one is the 9 period, the light aqua looking EMA. And you get the 20 period. I'm not going to show you that one actually, but that is the 20 period, the dark blue line. And what you want to do is you want to try and play or short here on this instance the first bounce into the EMA. So as you can see, and what you want to do here is you want to see some rejection at the EMA first. You don't want to just blindly buy this on a pump candle that keeps rising up, unless it has a little spike, unless it has a little bit of a wick going down here. So what you actually do is you can see it pump up into the EMAs, the 9 EMA in this instance. You get a rejection candle, and you would short there. Now your stops would be just above the EMA. The EMA works as in a line in the sand, so it's a good place to put your risk to reward, and ideally you'll start looking first target back to the low. So as you can see here, you can't just ride the pattern down and you get quick short trades, and you can see literally these just blow off really fast. You don't have to wait around for these. It's either going to work or it isn't. So set your stops, set your profits, and let it ride. Drop would normally ride on the 9, but after this it normally rides on the 20. You can see here how it just rides so beautifully on the 20 EMA, as you can see, all the way down. So you just keep getting these ups, you bounce up, you see a rejection, you could have short there, and then obviously it works straight away. Here you see it ride and reject again, so you could add, and you're just getting constant setups for fast, quick moves. As you can see, straight down, bang. Comes back, rides again. It's going sideways, it's riding the EMAs, and what you're doing is you're kind of trapping it. So as you can see, you're trapped with the 20 and this line here on support, and it just breaks again, and it just keeps riding. So you keep doing short trades, stops above the EMA, stops above the EMA, stops above the EMA, and you just keep riding these bad boys down. Take profits on the way, reshort. And obviously the more you reshort, the lower you get, the more riskier it gets. So be careful, don't give too much of your profits away. And the second chart is Ethereum. As you can see, was just on this sideways consolidation pattern at resistance. It failed to break it, and eventually we start to break down past the line. So if you go into the 15-minute chart, as you can see, now this one's a bit more messier, but I want to show you the patience of watching it ride. So you see the first pullback into the 9 EMA failed. Open up the short here, stop above, take profits as you're scaling. You want these higher leverage trades mostly, so you'll be taking your profits and you'll be earning very fast. Now it bounces back here. If you wasn't using your EMAs, you could probably draw a pattern here, a rising wedge or whatever you want to do, and short the breakdown. But what I really like to see here is when it actually gets trapped against the 20 EMA, and as you can see, it goes up, it fails, it wicks down, it tries going back up, can't, and then you get another red candle. And then this, once again, you're trapping. You trapped it between the support, the support trend line and the EMA rejects, and then it cracks, and then as soon as it cracks again, look, first pull back into the 9 EMA, you see it fail, boom, crack again, and you just keep taking profits, keep shorting it on these retests, keep taking profits, bounced up again, failed at the 9 EMA, back down, and you just keep on doing this. Don't get too greedy with it, but the best times to do it really is the first and second attempt. The first on the 9 and the second on the 20 EMA, but just watch for the trap, watch for the EMA to call above it, fail to get above it, and you know, just reps it down, pulls the price down, and then when you get this, you just get fast, quick moves and easy trades for scalps. So looking back on this, what you want to do is you want to look for a higher time frame idea generation, look for the breakout or breakdown, and then trade on a lower time frame, scalping the moves with the EMAs. Hope this helps. Happy trading.